Hello! Here are some brand new Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons for my brother's Nintendo Switch. So let's start with the unboxing. Strangely enough, I didn't need scissors to open the box as there is no tape keeping the whole thing closed. I didn't think that everything was going to be wrapped in bubble wrap as it seemed kinda cheap and not from a big quality brand like Nintendo. So inside we got our two Joy-Cons and these things to attach to their sides. Believe it or not, these things have some buttons that are pretty relaxing to press. So now let's get to the Joy-Cons. These have a really good matte finish. I believe the old ones had that too, but it probably got worn off. My brother decided to buy these because his original Joy-Cons are drifting like crazy and they're completely unusable. So let me know in the comments if you have a Nintendo Switch and if you've also had Joy-Con drifting. Bye!